it's me, Kundeep. So, we all binge watch these makeup tutorials, and these tutorials say that you can replicate this look, easy Eid look for you, easy Diwali look for you, easy party look for you, easy wedding look for you. However, these looks contain 30 different products and 50 different steps. So yeah, they are not replicable. You wouldn't ever try them in your life. So today I have a video for you wherein it contains only 10 steps to create this look. And yes, we need the minimal amount of brushes, the minimal amount of steps, the minimal amount of products possible. So without making this introduction any longer, let's get on with the video. Step 1, I am using some moisturizer. You could also start with a primer. Use your foundation brush to stipple it generously all over your face. Also, if you're someone that likes to use a beauty blender, then use that to apply this instead. Step 2, I have taken some foundation at the back of my hand, and I am using the same brush to stipple it on my face. So as we want this one to be more doable, so I am going to use as minimal products as possible. That is why I have taken a more full coverage foundation, because we are going to skip on the concealer part. Step 3. So now we have two ways to go about with this. You could either use a brush, or like myself, I am using my fingers because that does the job more quickly and because it blends more easily. Therefore, I have added some bronzer onto my fingers, and I am just using my fingers to blend that on my face to give my face some dimensions, as you may say. But you know what? I like precision when it comes to my nose. So for the nose, I am gonna use a brush because that gives me better control over the nose contour. As this is a quick tutorial, I'm not gonna spend ages with my eyebrows. I'm just going to fill in the sparse areas and just give it an overall dimension, because yes, I do have naturally round eyebrows. However, I like them to be pointed, so that is what I'm gonna do. I'm just roughly going to give it some dimensions and just filling it in roughly. That's a really quick job that we're going for. Step 5. Now our fingers come in handy, because instead of using a brush to apply our eyeshadow, we are just gonna use our fingers to dab the product all over our eye area. As we want this to be easy yet replicable, and that is the reason why we are going for this neutral toned eyeshadow. These are some of the favorite colors that suit best on the Indian skin. So go for the one that you have. Step 6. As this is a quick tutorial, I am gonna skip on the winged eyeliner, because yes, I have been doing it for over 10 years now, and that is why I can get a winged eyeliner done in 1 minute. However, not everyone can replicate that, and so I am going for mascara straight away. For if you're someone that wants to do an eyeliner, then do it right before your mascara. Also, a quick tip for everyone that barely have any eyelash hair, and that is to apply some translucent powder over your eyelashes before you apply the mascara, and that is going to give you that desired volume that you are looking for. I'm not too sure if you can see, but my eyelashes game is strong, and even without the fake lashes on, they look good. And that's because I let one coat of mascara dry up and then I apply another coat on top of it. So you could apply 2, 3 or 4 coats on top of each other, but always let it dry and then apply the next coat, and that is going to make your eyelashes look as if you have fake lashes on, whereas these are just your natural eyelashes. Step 7. Now it's blush time as well as finger time. So we are again gonna use our fingers to apply the blusher on the higher areas of the cheek. Don't drag it down because that is going to make you look older than you are. So just apply it on the high points of your cheekbones. Step 8. This one is an optional step, yet I'd like to do it because I love overlining my lips. Are you someone that loves overlining your lips? Comment it down below. I really want to know. Step 9. Step 9. Yes, we are filling our lips in with some lipstick. Step 10. Yes, our last step. As much as I would like to say this one is optional, but this is not, and this is for everyone that is trying to go out with this look, or for if you want to make this look stay from morning till evening or for a party. Apply some setting spray. It doesn't matter which one you apply, get a good one. The companies doesn't matter, it depends upon the one. Alright, I'll do a video for you about the best setting sprays that are out there and the worst ones as well. However, for this video, I would say apply a setting spray. As simple as that.